Hey beauties, thanks for tuning in to CYB TV. This is Cherish. If this is your first time tuning in, welcome. If you've been subscribed for a minute, glad to have you back. So y'all already know this is a DIY. I'm going to be showing you how I make these cute little phrase or worded clip-in hair pieces, so little accessories to your hair, make it a little stylish, and they're super trendy and in now. So I'm gonna have some fun and do a little project on camera for y'all. Okay, so all these things that I use to make these I got from the dollar store, so super inexpensive. I'm gonna show you guys start to finish, and we're gonna get started in a little bit. I'm just showing them off right now, okay? Alrighty, so as you guys can see, I have all of my little tools, or not tools, but you know, my little findings, shall I say. So I have a little bit of the letters, I have a little bit of the dazzle jewels, you know, a little something. You can pick all of this stuff at the dollar store or at arts and crafts stores. And then I have some hair clips. I got the big ones. Glad I had seen those. And also you're going to need a glue gun and some glue sticks, because trust me, you gonna go through a lot of glue. Okay, so now you guys can see this. I've already finished a whole set of them. I don't know, I did that a while ago, and then I was like, hey, might as well film it. So I'm gonna do another set for you guys. The cool thing about these is that you can, you know, choose anything that you want it to say. It could be a cute little project with, like, if you have a girl, baby girl, or you know, for a gift or something. So I really like this idea, and I thought this would be cool just to share, you know. So I got a couple of the clips off of the little thing, and the cool thing is I saved the packaging, so I can just stick them right back in the packaging when I'm finished. But you're gonna need your little letters, and you want to measure like these little letters to your hair pins. So you want to make sure they're not way big. I mean, if you want them to be way big, hey, but you want it to be kind of similar to the size of your hair pin, so you can fit the words properly. Okay, so what I'm doing now is just picking out the little letters. I started with the pack that was already open, and then I had to open up a new pack. So I'm just getting the letters. I'm going to be spelling out. You already see love. Now guess what else I'm going to be spelling out? So I'm just spelling out peace now. So I just thought it would be cute to make some that say peace and love. So this is what I would suggest you do before gluing anything down. Just make sure the phrase that you want is going to fit on the hairpins. I concluded that about 5 letters can fit on this size of hairpins that I have. So 5 is good. I wanted to do longer ones, but it wasn't gonna fit, so yeah. So now I'm just going to take off those letters, keep them lined up, but, you know, ready to go when I need them. So I'm going to use this packet, and this is just a bling bling packet. There's so many different types of colors and things that you guys can choose from, but I wanted to do like the classic, the pearl, the bling, and then the little gold. So this pack actually comes off in a strip, so you can see the bling comes off in the strip. You may find some that are individual, and that will take longer, which I will show you how to do that type. But for now, I'm just going to show you guys how I do the strip. I just put the little glue on the little hairpin, and then I stick on the strip. Now you want to make sure you put enough glue to where the glue is going to cover in the little gaps, because it is on a thin strip of already sticky paper on the back of the little bling. So you want to make sure the glue is going to actually seep in through those cracks. That way the jewels can stick and not fall off later. I hope that made sense. But yeah, you'll see if you find some like what I have. So I'm just taking off another strip. And the best thing that I realized works is just putting the hair clip on the table or the surface, and then just holding it down and putting the glue on the hair clip like that versus holding it, because I tried holding it and that didn't work. So it's just best to just put it down so you can kind of hold the hairpin down as you lay on the jewels. And then you're going to cut off the remainder. And I'm just pressing to make sure that the glue is, on there. The jewels are on there. And then I'm going to take the remainder of the little bedazzles and cut what I need to fill in the rest of that little blank area on the clip. And you want to be careful because the glue gun gets hot, y'all. I burned myself like 2 or 3 times doing this because I was trying to rush and trying to get stuff done, but yeah, be very, very careful. So as you can see, it's pretty much finished. Now you can do like a couple plain ones and then the letters. That's what I did. I kind of did like 2 plain ones with no letters and then 2 with letters. So I just kind of played with that. The little slab I got came with 10 clips, so I just decided to do like some phrases or words that can interchange with one another. So if I don't want to do them like peace and love together, I can do like peace and like, I don't know, another saying together. I don't know, I kind of put some thought into it, so I want it to be like where I can switch them up and even use different colors if I wanted to, like the little bling bling one and then the gold one. So yeah, you can have fun. This is just the way I'm doing it. But right now y'all can see that I'm laying down the jewels. I'm just putting the glue onto the letter little bit by little because the glue does dry pretty fast too, so be very quick. So that's what I'm doing. I'm just taking the jewels and then I'm laying the glue real quick, and then I'm going to hurry up and lay down the jewel on that glue, and then I'm going to cut off the rest. And there you have it. I'm almost finished with the love. There we have it. Alrighty, so what I decided to do, I was going to just bling out the whole thing, but then I realized the contrast is not going to let the actual word pop out. So I'm going to use the pearl little jewel thing for the background. So that's what I'm doing now. I'm about to put the little pearl on this clip so I can put the love on top of it, because I realized it's not going to look as bold. And what I'm doing is just making sure the jewels are as straight and like, you know, clean and non-messy as possible. I mean, you can grab some tweezers. I actually have these little sharp edged little tweezers that I use to pick out off the glue. So you can just use that to pick out the glue from like the little corners or nicks, and then, you know, keep it clean, keep it classy. Ooh, that was a cute word to use, classy. Dang it. I'm going to do some more. I have plenty of more. So as you guys can see, I'm putting the letters on top of the hairpin now. What I like to do is lay out the word first, and then one by one take it off, add the glue, and then finish it like that. So I finished that pair, peace and love. Now I'm moving on to another set of words, queen and black. So black queen. And I'm using the gold one. See, these are the individuals. So you're going to probably find some individual jewels like this. Now you're going to need a pick for that. Not a pick, a set of tweezers like I have to add those. And you're going to do it one by one by one. And what I like to do is just make sure they're laid out and put the glue on real quick, and then hurry up and pick them and put them in place. So right now I'm about to glue the words onto the hairpin. And this is the finished product, you guys. I love how they came out. I just thought of it one day when I was in the dollar store, so I figured, why not try it? It came out great after I did the first pack, and then I decided to do it for you guys. So if you like how these turned out, and if you will try it for yourself, then definitely thumbs this video up. Subscribe if you haven't already, y'all. Definitely tell me what you think, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.